Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy stars on Facebook. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. At the top of the screen, tap on the Reels icon, which looks like a play button. This will show you short videos from different creators. Select any reel you want to support. Once the reel is playing, tap on Show Your Support near the bottom of the screen. You will now see options for the number of stars you want to buy. Tap on the amount that works for you, then tap on Send to confirm your selection. Next, tap on the little arrow icon to continue to the payment screen. Here, choose your payment method. You can pay with a debit or credit card, PayPal, or any other available option on your account. After selecting your payment method, tap on Buy. Your stars will be purchased and sent to the creator automatically. So, that's basically how you can buy stars on Facebook. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.